is cute, 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 and cute.
I've cut out all of my pattern pieces, the front, back, sleeves, cuffs, and turtleneck. I'm using the adult Arlo, patterned by Petite Stitchery & Company. This is a vintage inspired crew neck, mock neck, or turtleneck crop, top, and dress. When I sew with knits such as this, I do use a tear-away stabilizer or tracing paper. I put it at the beginning of my stitching, right past the fabric, and then right at the end, right past the fabric, I just sew right to the end of my fabric, and this keeps my machine from pushing the fabric down inside, creating a horrible ball of thread underneath the throat plate. The fabric I am using is a Walmart bundle, exact contents unknown, but I can tell that it has a good amount of spandex. It has a suede-like feel, very stretchy, and has great recovery. When it comes to sleeves, I can sometimes become a bit dyslexic. My brain and my eyes do not work together, and I often end up with my seam on the outside of the dress or the wrong side of the sleeve and the seam on the outside. You get the picture. My solution has been to base my sleeve in place and flip it to ensure it is correct. And I've learned that the flat method works best for me. But even this method twists me up sometimes. Adding the turtleneck piece made me so anxious. I wanted to skip the hemming and immediately put it on. Patience. I didn't have any. So for the hems, I changed both the stitch width and length to 3.5. What an amazing finish. The pattern does come in sizes extra small to 4X. I sewed a small but will sew a medium the next time that I make this. I threw on some shapewear and was ready to go. This project was very satisfying. I was able to make this dress while my husband told me stories about his days as a U.S. Marine. And to all who have served and are currently serving in the U.S. military, thank you for your service.